How can false memory implantation manipulate your mind? Imagine waking up one day convinced you remember something that never actually happened. That's the strange power of false memory implantation. It's a way to make your brain believe a fabricated event is real. This process works by exploiting how our memories are not perfect recordings, but rather reconstructed stories. When someone plants a false memory, they give your brain clues or suggestions that your mind then fills in as if it were a real experience. Scientists have shown that memories are stored in tiny brain networks called engrams. In experiments with mice, researchers can activate a specific engram linked to a neutral event. If they pair that activation with a mild shock, the mice develop a false fear of the neutral event, even though no shock ever happened during that event. Their brains respond as if the memory were real, activating fear centers like the amygdala. This proves that memories can be artificially created by manipulating neural activity. In humans, false memories are often planted through suggestion and misinformation. Psychologist Elizabeth Loftus demonstrated how the way questions are asked can distort eyewitness memories. For example, asking if a car smashed into something can make people remember more damage or broken glass that was never there. This shows how easily external cues can change what we believe we remember. More complex false memories, like vivid autobiographical stories, can be created using guided imagery. This involves asking someone to vividly imagine an event, then adding details or cues to make them believe it really happened. Social pressure and repeated suggestions also increase the chances of convincing someone they experienced a false event. Over time, people may come to believe these fabricated memories are part of their real past. However, recent research suggests that implanting fully detailed false memories is more difficult than it seems. People tend to be cautious and may not confidently recall all the false details suggested to them. This limits how convincing and reliable these memories can be, especially outside controlled environments. From a weird science perspective, false memory implantation is a strange and fascinating trick of the mind. The idea that scientists can write a new memory into a mouse's brain, or that words can rewrite a person's recollections, sounds like science fiction. These experiments reveal how our consciousness and cognition have quirks that can be exploited. It shows that what we believe we remember is not always what actually happened, but often a strange blend of fact, fiction, and suggestion. This manipulation of memory challenges how we see ourselves and our history, making us question what is real and what is simply a convincing illusion.